Good morning, Brandon Weaver here at HEC Leasing. It's Thursday morning and I've got some new inventory. Yes, that's new inventory coming in. These trucks behind me, I've got 6 brand new Freightliner Cascadias, 2025 models, equipped with a Detroit DD13 engine, 450 horse. They're also equipped with the DD12 automated transmission, Jake brake, air ride suspension, outside aluminum wheels, air slide 5th wheel, double bunk sleeper. Really nice trucks if you've got a team or a solo driver, if you're doing FedEx and stuff like that. A couple of key features these trucks have. They have the Parksmart APU system, so you don't have to idle that truck at night whenever you're taking your break. Also equipped for the driver's convenience, an 1800 watt inverter. It's going to make your drivers happy out there. And the third thing is, probably the most important thing, is warranty. You want to lower your cost of ownership as a truck owner. 6 years, 600,000 mile Detroit EW4 warranty, 1 year of towing. You can't beat that. That EW4 warranty is excellent stuff. So if you're capped out, maybe you have exhausted all your limits with your local financing lender institution out there, give us a call. This is set up for a small fleet owner. We can help you. Just give us a call here, 615-471-9300. One other thing I forgot, you FedEx contractors out there, the Detroit collision mitigation systems on these, the blind spot minder, adaptive cruise control system on these trucks helps you out. Give us a call at 615-471-9300. Thanks.